Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start your culinary journey to perfect poached eggs. In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs easy. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You will need very fresh eggs, a medium-sized pot, and a slotted spoon. A pot about 8 inches wide works wonderfully. Fresh eggs are key. They help the whites stay together beautifully, creating that classic, neat poached egg shape we all love. Let us get cooking. Now, let us prepare our poaching liquid. Fill your pot with approximately 3 inches of water. This depth is ideal for fully submerging your eggs. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Do not worry, you will not taste it. The vinegar helps the egg whites coagulate quickly, keeping them from spreading too much. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, with tiny bubbles forming, but avoid a vigorous boil. It is time for the main event. Carefully crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This makes it much easier to gently slide them into the water without breaking the yolk. Slowly lower each egg into the simmering water. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a little longer if you prefer a firmer consistency. Avoid overcrowding the pot. Cook 1 or 2 at a time. Almost there. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully lift each one out of the water using your slotted spoon. Gently dab them on a paper towel to remove any excess water. This prevents your toast or dish from getting soggy. Season your beautiful poached eggs with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Serve them immediately on your favorite toast, avocado, or greens. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.